Welcome to our training Order Defect Rate Policy. Account health metrics can help you measure and improve your customers' experiences and show how well you're complying with Amazon's selling policies. In this video, we'll provide an overview of one of these metrics, the Order Defect Rate or ODR. We'll also share tips for maintaining a healthy ODR. To view your account health page, select the menu icon in the top left corner of Seller Central. Hover over Performance and select Account Health. Your overall account health is determined by three factors: customer service performance, policy performance, and shipping performance. When you maintain your performance targets across each of these factors, you help create a great customer experience. The Customer Service Performance section of your Account Health dashboard helps you measure how satisfied your customers are with the products and service you provide. This metric is determined by your account's ODR. An order has a defect if it results in negative feedback, an approved A to Z guarantee claim, or a credit card chargeback claim. Customer feedback is a key part of the Amazon experience and is considered negative if the customer leaves a product review of 2 stars or less. Feedback can help you quickly identify and address a problem with a product listing before your business is negatively impacted. An A to Z guarantee claim allows customers to ask Amazon to investigate a dispute related to an order. They can submit a claim if they feel you haven't properly addressed their negative experience according to your or Amazon's policies. A to Z guarantee claims help us regain valuable customer trust when the condition of a product or the timing of its delivery didn't meet expectations. To help prevent both negative feedback and A to Z guarantee claims, accurately represent your products using clear images and descriptions. Clearly describe the condition of your products. Confirm shipments in Seller Central before you reach the order's expected shipping date, and aim to confirm them as soon as you ship an order. Cancel out-of-stock orders and contact customers to let them know you can't fulfill their orders. And respond to customers' messages within 24 hours. Do your best to resolve any issues. The last factor that impacts your ODR is the number of credit card chargeback claims or chargebacks you receive. Chargebacks occur when the customer's order amount is refunded to their credit card due to a dispute or return. To help avoid chargebacks, fulfill orders with care by using adequate packaging and trackable shipping methods. For more information on chargebacks and how to respond to them, search for and review the Chargebacks Help page in Seller Central. To avoid restrictions on your seller-fulfilled offers, maintain an ODR of less than 1% of your total orders during a given 60-day period. For example, if you received 300 orders over the past 60 days, you should aim to receive less than 3 1- or 2-star ratings, A to Z guarantee claims, or chargeback claims. We recommend checking your ODR and overall account health performance at least once a week. For more information, search Order Defect Rate in Seller Central, or select Order Defect Rate on your account health page. You now have the tools to help you maintain an ODR that meets Amazon's targets. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store.